Have you been craving for healthy bread and you have no clue how to make one? Never mind, just watch this video to the end and you make one yourself from the comfort of your home. You can make this sweet delicious bread from fonio. Yes, fonio is a low carbs food substance. It's high in protein and high in fiber. You can use it to make your healthy bread. In it, we're also going to make use of tigernut mixed milk and date powder as a sweetener. We started by mixing the dry ingredients, the fonio flour, then you can add your baking powder, your sweetener, mix it together, then you proceed to mix your wet ingredients too. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to keep up with healthy food recipes. Yes, it is very possible to take bread, to have bakeries in a healthy form. What you need to do is make use of healthy ingredients. Like we use fonio now, we're going to use date powder as sweetener. All these are healthy, and fonio itself has very low glycemic index, which means it doesn't really spike up blood sugar. So this is really recommended. It's a healthy meal for a diabetic. Now we proceed to our wet ingredients. We'll match about 3 overripe banana. Then we can proceed to add our egg, to add vanilla extract, then our tiger nut mixed milk, which has been extracted from its powder. Yes, people run away from egg. Egg has very good cholesterol. It helps to boost your good cholesterol. So it's quite healthy eating eggs. In our wet ingredients, we still have our butter. Then lastly, we add a cup of tiger nut mixed milk. Tiger nut mixed milk was extracted from our tiger nut mixed powder, which is combination of tiger nut, coconut, dates, ginger, and cloves. It's very healthy. Tiger nuts itself is lactose free. So if you are lactose intolerant, tiger nut milk is the best option. Now we are done mixing our wet ingredients. So we mix the wet and the dry ingredient together and our bread is ready to be baked. The tiger nut mix powder, the dates powder, fonio is readily available for shipment. We sell this, so if you want it, we can have it delivered to your doorstep. Now it's time for us to bake our paste. And let's see how it goes. You can top up with any fruit of your choice if you wish. I decided to use the remaining banana to avoid it going to waste. So let's see how our banana bread turns out. Wow, banana bread is ready, looking very sumptuous and delicious. Who would have thought this was made with fonio? So this is an all healthy bread. It's 100% healthy. You have your healthy fonio as a flour, you have your sweetener. Wow, there's no artificial in this bread at all. If you want more of this healthy recipe, you know what to do. Click the subscribe buttons and invite others too. You are welcome.